Welcome back. In this class, we are going to understand the truth tables of logical operators. In our last class, we already provided some intuition real life examples about logical operators. Please watch that class and come back here. And we have discussed about relational operators also. These two classes, it's very important to understand this class. So coming here, let's take an expression like this. A greater than 10, this is one relational operator. Here we are using relational operator, A greater than 10. What's the output it is going to give you? If really A greater than 10, the value that present in A, it is greater than 10, then this condition is going to be give you a true value, and this is logical operator. B greater than 20, if this condition is true, what is this relational? This condition is going to give you output. It's a true value. True value and true value. Logical and. If both are true, then this entire expression should return true value. That is what this logical and means. So hope from the previous class intuition you understand that. Now coming to the truth tables. Suppose A greater than 10, this condition we call it as X. B greater than 20, this condition we call it as Y. Instead of X and Y, you place conditions. X, logical and Y. So what happens? If X is false, Y is false. What happens? X and Y, it is going to be false. If X is false, Y is true value. What happens? False. If both are true, then only AND is going to return true. That is what logical AND means. True or false? True and false. False. Both true, true. What is the output it is going to return? True value. This is what the truth table for logical AND operator. Similarly, OR operator. X is a condition, Y is a condition. OR means either any one of them is true. Logical OR is going to return a true value. That is what logical OR operator means. So false, false, false. False, true, true value. Similarly, TF, T, TT, T. So this is what the output that you are going to get if you are using OR operator. Similarly, NOT operator. If X is true value, not X means opposite, false. If X is false value, not X means true value. These are the logical operators and their truth tables that we are going to discuss in Python. Hope you understand, you got good clarity about logical operators. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates.